Hello, this short video is our gift to you. I'm Dr. Mavi, part of the team here at Caring Pathways, providing compassionate end-of-life care for companion animals in your home, with locations around the United States.
Your pet is going through changes, either due to older age or a diagnosis that is causing a decline in their health. We are here to educate on what you may be seeing and offer medical and emotional support as soon as you are ready for our help. Aging in pets can be subtle or dramatic. Much depends on their breed and lifestyle. For example, it may be easier to notice aging changes in a hunting dog that's losing its sense of smell, compared to a house cat who already sleeps a lot. These aging changes may affect your pet's quality of life. Let's look now at 4 common signs of aging. Change in activity. Your pet may sleep more or stay awake all night. Perhaps they are less interested in play. Pets can eat more or seem pickier. You may see your pet hiding out in strange places. They may appear confused and forgetful. Nail and fur changes. Pets can grow very long nails, start getting that gray hair, long fur can become matted, or you see more shedding. In general, aging pets can look a bit unkempt, although still beautiful, especially as they near the end of life. Loss of senses. Hearing, vision, and smell all begin to fade. Some pets will lose these senses altogether, and you may see your pet lose their balance, becoming more unsteady as they walk. This may be due to muscle weakening or changes in the brain and nervous system. And lastly, increased sickness. Sickness may come in many forms. Dental issues, including bad breath, are common with age, along with weight loss or gain, and new lumps and bumps. Depending on the type, increased sickness can lead to coughing, upset tummy, and/or fever. You may see them seeking out cooler places to be, especially in the middle of the night. A favorite Caring Pathways veterinary tip to recognize aging is to look back on old photos and videos and compare differences over time. It's helpful to have a visit with one of our veterinarians to better understand how these changes are affecting your pet's happiness and quality of life. Aging over time is expected and can be managed with simple, effective adjustments to the normal routine. If disease is the cause, we can help with that too. This stage of your pet's life is special. Let's keep each day easy and safe. Next, let's talk about body language and behavior. Our pets speak to us with their body. A wag of the tail, a big stretch, a jump onto our lap. We can detect how they are feeling by watching them, and watching often. It helps to understand what is normal and what is abnormal, especially with aging pets who may be showing signs they are not feeling well. The first of our aging body language signs is the head and tail in low position. You may notice they don't wag their tail as much. They may look sadder, with less interest in play, especially if they don't feel well. Another is being resistant to touch. Aging pets feeling pain or anxiety can shy away from touch. Their body may also look tense when you approach, as if to say, "Be gentle with me." The next sign is being slow to move. It can take more time to get around, even to do little things like climb a few stairs. This may be due to general muscle weakness or due to physical discomfort. And isolation. Your pet may look for quiet places to spend time, or they may be trying to hide if in pain or feeling anxious. It's good to provide quiet, safe places for them to rest. A favorite Caring Pathways tip for reading body language is to ask your pet, "How are you feeling today?" Taking just a few minutes to focus on their body language can say so much and give you a better understanding of what they are feeling. Our veterinary team are experts in reading body language. We can help. Now on to signs of pain. The biggest question pet owners want to know, is my pet in pain? Just asking this question shows how much you love your pet and want to support them. Pain is something most of us can relate to. People feel it, and so do animals. We all want what's best for our pets, and pain is just not welcomed. Let's review 4 signs of pain together. Decreased activity. Your pet may be more interested in staying put. Things they used to love doing are disappearing. For example, your dog may no longer greet new people at the door, or your cat no longer jumps up on the bed. They may be sleeping more and more. Change in posture. This includes lameness or difficulty walking, that head and tail in low position again, or they may be leaning to one side. Pets in pain adjust their body to get away from it. That's what you may be seeing. Resistant to touch. Our pets typically like to be touched, to be loved and feel close. Pets in pain may move away from us and even look afraid. And facial changes. Science has been learning what animal facial expressions tell us. Here are examples of cats, with the comfortable look on the left to the one on the right in discomfort. You can see the difference. Here is an example of a tool we use to help you understand pain in dogs. We have one for cats too. It can be difficult to determine if your pet is in pain or simply feeling tired, sleepy. We identify pain when we see many of these changes at the same time. A good way to treat pain is to try a few simple pain medications. They can make a huge difference in your pet's life and yours. Our Caring Pathways team specializes in pain management for aging and sick pets all over the United States. Let's talk so we can pinpoint where the pain is coming from and get rid of it. Just like our pets, homes come in all shapes and sizes. We want to make sure they are safe for our aging pets. Whether a few changes or many, your home can be modified to provide added comfort for your pet and make caring for them much easier as time goes by. Let's review 4 modifications you might want to make to your home. Let's start with carpet. Aging pets often have a difficult time walking on smooth surfaces. They do better with traction, and carpet is an easy way to help them get around. Carpet runners may be placed anywhere the pet likes to walk, including the stairs, near the bed, and around food and water dishes. Next, ramps. Just like with aging people, ramps and gentle sloping surfaces make it easier to move from one part of the house to another. Pets can be taught how to use ramps as soon as they become necessary, ideally when they are younger. Ramps help pets maintain a sense of freedom to go where they want to go. Access to potty areas. Older and sick pets may have an increased need to potty. For cats, additional litter boxes are good to place around the house, and, if safe, a dog door can be used to allow dogs access to outdoor areas. Some owners find it necessary to increase time at home to provide their pets those much-needed potty breaks. And lastly, monitoring systems. Monitoring your pet's daily activities paints a clearer picture of their health and comfort. You might consider placing video cameras around the home. Daily activities and changes can also be recorded on calendars and shared with the veterinary team. There are also devices that track your pet's movements, water intake, and sleep patterns. One of my favorite tips is to keep a detailed list of your pet's medications. Responsible family members can be trained on how they should be administered so your pet never misses a dose of important medication. Our Caring Pathways veterinary team is ready to talk about these household modifications to make daily life more enjoyable. To summarize, we've talked about signs of aging, body language and behavior, signs of pain, and some household modifications to assist your pet as they age or face an illness. Books have been written on each of them, telling us just how much there is to know. We hope you learned a bit with us on how and why some changes occur, and useful tips in caring for your wonderful pet. Living with older pets is special. This stage of life, while delicate, is rich with meaning and purpose. Their bodies may be changing, but their love is steadfast and strong. How lucky they are to have you in their life, loving them right back. Caring Pathways is standing by now to provide all the care you and your pet need.